ever step on a wet hairball with your bare foot in the middle of the night? You are not alone. Here are some common reasons cats may throw up hairballs. Some cats have more hairballs due to their longer hair coats. Excessive grooming due to stress, anxiety, or skin conditions can cause hairballs. Poor diet or lack of fiber can contribute. Underlying health issues affecting the gastrointestinal system or causing nausea can also lead to more hairballs. An occasional hairball can be quite normal for most cats. If your cat is having frequent hairballs, or if the hairballs seem excessively large, contact BetterVet to set up an appointment to make sure your cat's health or diet is not a factor.